In 1999, Aruchamy, along with two of his college classmates, Ramkrishnan and Balkrishnan, began a journey fueled by ambition and grit. With withdrawn gratuity and provident funds, the trio acquired a single CNC machine and laid the foundation of what would become RABWIN, a name now synonymous with precision manufacturing. But the dream started much earlier. As a young boy from Naduplayam, a small village near Coimbatore, Aruchamy once asked his father, "Why do they go by car while we ride a cycle?"
Papa said, they are a businessman. So from that day itself, it was a fire within me. So I want to make a business. I want to be a businessman.
That simple moment sparked a fire in him, a dream to build something of his own. After years of hands-on experience in major engineering firms, Aruchamy took the leap. Today, RABWIN is a powerhouse with over 400 machines, 2,000 plus employees, and a global client base. From precision parts for aerospace and defense to automation fixtures, RABWIN delivers end-to-end solutions under one roof.
Working further and going for IPO by next year, so that we have a lot of projects in our hand, and we will execute one by one.
But more than machines and numbers, it's the values that drive the founding trio.
We people make mistakes, but for that mistakes, we don't point out it's a mistake by you and all. We learn out of the mistakes and eliminate the mistakes further coming. So we give more importance to our relationship rather than money.
Aruchamy's story is a reminder. Great businesses don't start with wealth. They start with fire. And that fire still burns bright at RABWIN.